Last time we talked about changing how a fraction looks without changing its value. This time we talk about why. Hi, I'm Glenn. Grab a fidget. Let's take a look. The idea of a common denominator just means that all the fractions you're dealing with have the same denominator. Okay, but what if yours don't? Change them. Find a value of 1 that will change your fraction into whatever form you need, and just multiply. Here's an example. Rewrite 3/4 as a fraction with a denominator of 8. We're going to add it to something else that has 8s for denominators later. Whatever it is, I don't care. Rewrite 3/4 in 8ths. To do that, we multiply 3/4 by 1, but a specific version of 1. It's a fraction with the same numerator and denominator. So what do we know? Start with the denominator. I have a 4, I need it to become an 8. What do? I multiply it by 2. Remember, when we're multiplying fractions, we just multiply straight across. I just figured out what my denominator needs to be, and I know that I'm multiplying by a version of 1, which is a fraction with the same numerator and denominator. I just figured out the denominator, which means I also figured out the numerator. I have my new fraction, I can just multiply straight across. You just figure out what you need to do to that first denominator to make it look like your target. On your new fraction, just use that number for both the denominator and the numerator, and then multiply straight across. And remember, this works because any fraction with a matching numerator and denominator has a value of exactly 1. This does not change the value of our fraction at all, only how it looks. That's important. Next time, we'll look at some of the uses for all this nonsense. Thanks for watching. I'm really glad you're here.